Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now we have a big update for you. Look straight ahead at the median or the Jersey bar and you're going to see street lights. JPS has started to install street lights on the section of the highway from Harborview to Yalos. Now this section is 4 lanes with the Jersey barrier in the middle, and this entire section is going to get street lights from Harborview to Yalos. Very nicely done, and these lights are operational. We're going to come back out here at night and show you what they look like one day this week. So this is, I think it's 17 kilometers from Harborview to Yalos, and in that entire section is going to get street lights. Now I know in the past they have had issues with people stealing the street lights. Now as to what they do with them when they steal them, I have no idea. If anybody knows what they use them for when they steal them, leave a comment in the section below, because I have been trying to figure it out. But I know on Palisades Strip, that's the road that takes you to the airport or Port Royal, JPS had installed 17 streetlights, replaced 17 of them. And by August of this year, 15 of the 17 were stolen. Not sure what's going on with that, but I don't think that's going to happen on this section of the road, because one, this is a very busy road, two, it's a populated area, so you have homes and people looking out, and three, you have a police station in this area, Bull Bay, so hopefully nobody steals the lights. But there you can see quite a few have been installed, and we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on with the installation of the rest. But all of this week they're supposed to be installing more, but I'm probably going to say it's over 100 street lights based on how close the lights are and the distance. It's going to be quite a few stoplights. Although the Jersey barrier doesn't go the entire way, but it goes a good distance. Like when you're entering from Harborview, the highway starts at the bridge, but the Jersey barrier starts right before, I think it's a school, and then the Jersey barrier ends in Albion, but the highway goes all the way to Yalos. So I'm not sure. Basically the section will get the lights. Very nicely done. You can see the government spared no expense with the building of this road, because the toll roads in Jamaica that make billions of dollars in toll, billions, they don't have street lights. They only have street lights by the toll plazas. Now look at the Jersey barrier where you see the pipe sticking out, and you can see some, like a hole that they've patched up or cemented with the pipe sticking out. That's where the street light is going to go. Some of the, like coming up here now, that hole is empty, but you see the pipe sticking out. That's where the street light is going to go. Alright guys, well, let us know what you think about the street lights, and enjoy the rest of the video. We're going from 10 miles Bull Bay to 12 miles Bull Bay, and this section of the highway, as we go up this hill and go around the corner, that section is actually finished. The only thing left to do is install the street lights. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.